Hello everyone, I am Swati and today we are going to see electronic component that is resistor. So let's start with today's video. So first we will see what do you mean by resistor. So resistor is passive electronic component. In my previous video I told you what do you mean by passive and active electronic components. So resistor is passive electronic component. It is a two-terminal component, means it has two terminals which can be connected in the circuit. Resistors are common elements of electrical networks and electronic circuits. So every circuit has resistor. So we can say that resistors are small cylindrical devices with color coded bands. So if you look at resistor, you will observe the color coded bands. So these bands are useful for the calculation of value of resistor, and resistors looks like cylinder or they are cylindrical in shape. Symbol of resistor. So as shown in this diagram, there are two symbols given. The first R1 symbol is called as American style schematic symbol of resistor, and the second R2 symbol is called as international style symbol of resistor. So for resistors the name and values are given. So name is given by capital letter R and it is followed by number like 1, 2, 3, and also for the resistor it is necessary to write its value. So if you observe, R1 has value 1 kilo ohm and R2 has value 47 kilo ohm. So both these schematic symbols are used in electronic circuits. So remember, resistor has two terminals and these terminals can be connected in the circuit, and it is a non-polarized component. Unit of resistor. Resistance is measured in ohm. So symbol for ohm is the Greek capital omega, that is ohm. The smaller values of ohms can be converted into larger values like kilo mega, giga ohm, etc. Now we will go through the types of resistors. So first type is carbon composition resistor. It is also known as carbon resistor. It is very commonly used resistor and it is low cost and easy to construct. It is mainly made up of carbon clay composition covered with plastic case. The advantages of carbon composition resistor are they are readily available, they are low cost and very durable. But the disadvantage is they are very temperature sensitive. Now we will go for next type. Next type is metal film resistor. This resistor is made up of thin film of conductive material such as carbon or metal on an insulating core. They are suitable for high grade applications. The third type of resistor is thermistor. Thermistor is called as thermal resistor. Its resistance value changes with the change in temperature. Most of the thermistors have NTC, means negative temperature coefficient. Means what? Resistance decreases with increase in temperature. They are made up of semiconductor materials and they are used to detect the small temperature changes. Now the next type is wire wound resistor. A wire of manganese or constantan is wound around the cylinder of insulating material. They are used for high power applications. The cost of wire wound resistor is more than carbon resistors. The main disadvantage is the inductance arises because of the coil-like structure. The next resistor is variable resistor. Variable means resistance value can be adjusted. So it is potentiometer. There is a rotating shaft by using which the resistance value can be changed. The example of variable resistor is rheostat. Now the next is LDR. LDR is light dependent resistor. LDR resistance varied depending on the intensity of light falling on it. It offers high resistance in dark and it offers low resistance when light falls on it. So these are the commonly used resistors in various circuits. Now we will go through uses of resistor. Use of resistor, it provides resistance to the flow of current. Means what? It controls the flow of current. There are some applications of resistors such as circuit functions. They are used along with different circuits. They are used with voltage divider circuits also. For heating circuits like heater or toaster, microwaves, we are using resistors to control the flow of current. They are used in frequency and timing circuits also, and they are used along with LEDs and transistors to avoid the damage of these components. So the main function of resistor is to control the flow of current, and these are the some applications which are listed out here in which the resistor is used. So this is about resistor. In my next video, I am going to tell you how to calculate the value of resistor by using color coded bands. Thank you.